Astronomers have been searching for theories to explain the nature of our reality. What have they come up with? You're watching Matter, and today we're talking about 10 insane theories about our universe. Number 1. The holographic universe. The peculiarity of our universe has led scientists to come up with some theories that would shock most people. Studied by a growing group of experts, one of these theories proposes that our entire universe is nothing more than a hologram. This theory suggests that our entire three-dimensional universe is being encoded on its two-dimensional boundary. You can imagine this as a two-dimensional surface far away containing all the information and data of our universe that is being projected to appear in three-dimensional space. Scientists believe that this theory is testable, and a group of researchers from the UK prove that this theory is consistent with the patterns that astronomers have observed in the cosmic microwave background fluctuations. Number 2. Simulation theory. This theory was born out of modern science's ability to create realistic models of our universe inside the most powerful computers available today. Some scientists now believe that it is possible that everything that we know to exist is all part of a complex simulation being run from beyond our universe. There could be beings from high dimensions or another universe that are running incredibly detailed simulations, and we are all just living in one of those. This theory may seem quite unbelievable at first, but when we look at the current simulations of our universe that scientists run, it doesn't seem that far off. It is not a stretch to believe that a far more complex simulation is possible with the help of much more powerful computers with far more computing power that can run simulations that can include life and possible sentience. Number 3. Could our universe be inside a black hole? Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects in the cosmos and have led to many interesting theories about our universe. One of these theories claims that everything we observe in our universe is all contained inside of a black hole from another universe. New evidence has shown that whenever matter falls into a black hole, it may not be destroyed like previously believed. Black holes have been seen to eject matter, triggering the creation of stars. This leads some scientists to believe that something similar may be happening inside. However, our current laws of physics break down past the event horizon of a black hole, making it impossible for us to know what is beyond. The massive gravitational pull generated at the singularity rips a hole in the fabric of space-time. If this theory is true, then could the black holes in our universe be doorways to others? Number 4. The Steadystate theory. Much of what astronomy has studied in the past 100 years has not been able to tell the full story of our universe. One theory that used to hold a lot of popularity was the Steadystate theory. This theory claims that the universe has always existed and will always exist in a similar state, and that the universe looks nearly identical throughout its entirety. The astronomers who have studied this theory believe that the density of the universe remains constant as it expands through the creation of new matter, adhering to the perfect cosmological principle. While most evidence points towards the universe starting with a Big Bang, this theory still lingers in the minds of some scientists today. Number 5. New physics using modified Newtonian dynamics. There is a new and growing theory in physics that is looking to change how we view gravity. The gravitational equations that Newton discovered work really well when we are on Earth or in the scale of the solar system, and they also seem to work at the larger scales of the universe, just as long as dark matter is included in the calculations. Astronomers believe that 27% of the universe is dark matter. They got this figure by studying the movement of galaxies and used the equations of gravity to calculate how much mass we require to generate the right amount. There is not enough ordinary matter in the universe to produce enough gravitational force to hold everything together. Astronomers came up with and named the mysterious matter generating the extra gravitational force dark matter. But some scientists think that gravity may behave differently on the large scales of galaxies and galactic clusters. They are working on a new branch of physics called modified Newtonian dynamics, which tweaks Newton's equations when working over large distances. Could this more powerful and further-reaching gravitational force fill the place of dark matter in our understanding of the cosmos? Number 6. Was the Big Bang just a big bounce? Currently, one of the most widely held beliefs regarding the origins of our universe begins with the Big Bang. But a new theory is gaining more steam that posits the Big Bang was really just a big bounce. This theory states that the universe doesn't really have an end, but rather exists in a state of expansion followed by a state of contraction. The universe is currently expanding at an ever faster rate, but one day that expansion may slow or stop. If this theory holds true, after the universe stops expanding, it would begin to contract until everything in it was condensed into a singularity. There would then be a bounce, and the universe would start to expand, restarting the process all over again. There may be no way to test this theory and to know when the expansion of the universe will stop, but it would be unlikely to happen soon. Number 7. The lopsided universe. The advancements in astronomy and astrophysics in the past few decades have been incredible and led to many fantastic discoveries that rock the scientific world. One of these discoveries came from studying the cosmic microwave background, which is a map of the distribution of electromagnetic radiation in the early universe. Astronomers looking into this noticed that the universe is quite badly lopsided, meaning that there are vast temperature differences throughout the cosmos. Scientists are still unsure as to why the universe is so lopsided or how it got that way. In fact, one scientist decided to run 10,000 simulations to see how the universe would turn out with the discrepancies in temperature. Of these 10,000 simulations, only 7 led to a universe that looks similar to ours. It is unknown how a young, lopsided universe was able to grow into what we are currently seeing today, but theories as to why include warping energy fields or ancient collisions with other universes. Regardless for the reason, for the unevenness of our universe, it has allowed it to grow and evolve to the point it can support life. Number 8. The ekpyrotic scenario. Maybe our universe did collide with another one in the extremely distant past. A theory that has been working with this idea states that our current universe was born when 2 separate 3-dimensional universes collide together in a higher 4th-dimensional space, merging into one. Called the ekpyrotic scenario. This theory does help explain some of the questions that astronomers have regarding the early universe and how it began. It involves multiple dimensions above the 3 we exist in and ties in nicely with the current form of string theory. This theory contradicts the Big Bang theory by changing how the universe was born by replacing it with a collision instead. But after the start of the universe, these 2 theories follow the same path, which leads to our universe as it currently exists. Number 9. The Brainworld Theory. What could exist in high dimensions? Based on the understanding of string theory, there could be as many as 11 dimensions of space and time with us existing in the bottom 3 spatial dimensions. There may be a massive, higher spatial dimension according to one theory. In this dimension there exist membranes, called brains, that each contain an entire universe. This dimension, called the bulk, could hold an infinite number of brains that each hold their own infinite universes. If the Brainworld theory is correct, it could answer many of the questions scientists have about the asymmetry observed in the subatomic forces. Some scientists have argued that this theory can be tested by searching for gravitational waves coming from a black hole that links the brain of our universe to another one. Number 10. The Multiverse Theory. Scientists have discovered theories that may include universes separate from our own, dubbed the Multiverse Theory. This idea asserts the possibility of an infinite number of other universes that exist separately from each other. Each of these universes have their own space, time, energy, matter, and laws of physics that can differ between them. This means that some universes may have specific conditions that don't allow the formation of anything and will remain empty, as well as universes that could never support life. But this theory also predicts the existence of parallel universes that are near identical copies of our own. Some proponents of this theory believe that there are uncountable copies of every person, each living their own life in their own universe entirely cut off from each other. This theory is one of the more popular scientific theories due to the possibilities that it allows. It seems like every time something new about the universe is discovered, it opens the door to many new theories that seek to understand the incredible universe we live in. What are some of your favorite theories that try to explain the universe? Thanks for watching. See you next time on Matter.